welcome to IB's Intelligence, where we bring you the latest buzz from the world of finance and technology. I'm Gloria Methri, reporter at IBS Intelligence.
And I'm Pooja Sharma, assistant editor and reporter at IBS Intelligence. Before we find out which fintech stories made headlines this week, the nomination for the IBSI Global FinTech Innovation Award 2024 is now live. As we prepare for the sixth edition of our esteemed awards, we invite you to join an elite circle of visionaries transforming the fintech landscape.
Newgen Software Technologies has launched its trade finance platform in the Middle East. Banks and financial companies from across the region can now use Newgen's low-code, end-to-end automated system to unify and digitize rigid legacy systems.
Ant International has announced a strategic initiative with Dock, a payment and bank tech company in Latin America. The partnership aims to provide AI driven credit technology solution to empower local partners and advance financial inclusion in Brazil.
Intellect Design Arena has announced a global partnership with Wipro. This collaboration aims to leverage the AMAC.ai platform to simplify technology in the banking and insurance sectors.
Tabby, the Saudi based shopping and financial services app, is set to acquire digital wallet Tweak. Founded in 2020, Tweak offers spending account that allows customers to spend, send, and manage their money with ease, giving them more control over their finances.
Validus, a digital SME lending platform in Singapore, has raised a $50 million debt facility from HSBC under the Asian Growth Fund strategy. It is aimed to support financial inclusion for MSMEs in Indonesia, addressing their challenges in accessing economic resources.
Unipass has partnered with American Express to enable more SMBs to offer invoice payment through Amex card through its platform. The integration aims to simplify the payment process, improve cash flow management, and enhance overall payment convenience and efficiency.
That's it for this week's top fintech stories.
Be sure to check out the link in the description below and keep following IBS Intelligence for more fintech news update.